Hello everyone, my name is Dilip. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your website multilingual. This is a very useful feature if you have visitors from non-English speaking countries or trying to expand your website to other countries. So before going to the implementation, please do consider subscribing my channel. I promise to bring you more useful videos not only about Wix but also Google Sheets, AppScript, Looker Studio and Power BI. Thank you so much. Now let's jump into the implementation. As you can see right now, I'm in my website editing section. So to add the multilingual option to the site, you need to first go to the Wix market from the website menu. So here search for Wix multilingual. Do not worry about the ratings of this app. It's just 2.1. It did not work for few languages, but for my language it was okay. And the most important thing is that I was able to remove the text which was unnecessary and change additional sentences. So even if the language translation is not that good, you still have an option to edit the content. One more thing you have to keep in your mind is that when you turn on the auto translation, it's only up to 3000 words you get it for free. If you need additional words auto translation, then you need to pay one-time fees based on the number of words. But if you do not want to pay, you can just uncheck this option and you have to manually translate it. Now I'll click on add to site. Once I add it to the site, I'm going to get a pop-up to add the main language. The main language is the default language of the site, so you need to select the language that you want as a default language. You can also select the language dialect. I will just keep it as US. Once I added the default language, I'm going to get an option to add additional languages. I will search for Kannada here. I will also turn on these two features. If you do not require auto translation, you can turn this off. Also, if you want to show your website in user's browser's language, you can turn this option on. Okay, now that I have added the language, we'll go and test it. As you can see, my website is already translated. Let's suppose if I want to edit or remove certain text, I'll have to go to the editing section and just remove the text or add additional text. You can also change the design of the drop down to match your website, and this drop down is also available in the mobile version. So that's it guys. I hope it helped you and thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you so much.